Hello, in today's video I am going to show you how to color your fondant. For instance, I am going to color all those things black. So I am going to show you how to color the fondant. Even though it's colored one, you can still color to a favorite color that you want. So I am going to use my airbrush. First of all, I'm going to add my black to my airbrush. In that way, I can use it to color this fondant the way I want it. So right away, I am going to color these things. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you love this video, and let me know what you think about this video on the comment section. Thank you, and see you on my next video.